Hey friends, if you wish to download and install Synaptics Touchpad driver on Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now the reason a lot of users are asking this is because they don't find this driver on its original website. Okay, I keep checking it, but they don't find it on the original website. So here's what you can do. Simply download it from any third-party website like TechSpot. Okay, simply click on download now here and then select the what do we say 64-bit version for your system, and it will start downloading it. Okay, you can click here if it doesn't start downloading automatically, and then click on open, and you'll get a cap file, and then you can it will be installed on your system. After that, all you need to do is double click on setup. Now I won't click on setup because it will interfere with existing drivers on my system. I have a Windows 11 computer, but you can click on this setup file, double click on it to install it on your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.